Hi, this is Naomi at Text My Registry, and today we're talking about 5 reasons to have a destination wedding. Now, there's a lot of, obviously the obvious would be that you can get married anywhere. You could go anywhere in the world and get married and exchange your vows in some beautiful location and just make it a very intimate, very romantic destination, wedding. A lot more couples now are getting, moving forward and doing a destination wedding just because there's a little bit more flexibility for them, maybe just choosing just to do something different. Literally it's something different, unique, different than your friends are doing. If they're all of your friends are getting married, you want to be a little bit different. Destination would definitely be the way to go if you want to, do a different type of party for your friends. But you will definitely need to save the dates in advance. So at least 8 months to a year, depending on where you're going, so that people can, see if they can get time off, if they need to get special passports or documents that need to get ready for the trip. So, make sure that you do that if you do decide to do a destination wedding. But a lot more couples, like I said, are moving forward and doing destination weddings. So it is becoming a more popular or just also another alternative way to celebrate your big day. A great reason to possibly do a destination wedding is that you can cut back on your guest list. Another great reason to do a destination is the fact that you get to spend quality time with your friends and family and kind of hang out and relax and just kind of go with the flow, not too much stress, just get to spend a lot of quality time. You can, hang out at the pool, you can do activities together. We were actually at a resort for our honeymoon and noticed there was at least 5 or 6 weddings going on, and we were watching, through the days, seeing how they were doing their rehearsal dinners and how they were doing the rehearsals and just the wedding days, the day itself and, the photography and all the fun stuff that they got to do in activities. But also it was really nice to see a group of people that came to really be there to celebrate and support you during this big big day in your life. So it's kind of nice to see that. I really loved the fact that, a lot of people were there present to spend the, time with this couple or couples during their, preparation for their big day. So it was a lot of, great things that I saw. So I definitely see that it's a great way to get married. And one last reason why you should consider doing a destination if you are going to go that route is that a lot of these venues and resorts and hotels have wedding planners or event planners right there on their site, and they're very experienced. They do them all the time. They have packages or all-inclusives. They sometimes don't charge, for their planning fees. They can handle a lot of the stuff, the details, all the little details for you. You just kind of, maybe do some emails and some phone calls to them and, whatever to make sure that, obviously you want to make sure you get someone that listens to you and knows what you're looking for. And, because you do want to make sure, that's one thing that I would be really stressing, is you want to make sure that you're on the same page with them. See some pictures of weddings they've done or send them some ideas that you want and just kind of go with it. Obviously you're in a resort, beautiful place, the setting's pretty much there. And like I said, they have the experience, so it might take a little bit of the pressure off you in the planning and put it in their hands. So if you want something that's a little bit more different and fun and a little bit more relaxed, probably a destination wedding might be the ticket for you. This is Naomi at Text My Registry, and I will see you tomorrow.